Wagwan people, today we're gonna check out this new Elgato Wave 3 microphone. I got the pop filter, Wave 3 microphone, and the shock mount. Thanks Miles for the recommendation, so stay tuned to the video and I'll unbox it and set it up. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so YouTube can show it to more people. Now let's go. Elgato is a great brand. I have their HD60 Plus capture card over there. Here's the pop filter. Let's take a closer look at the box. Now let's unbox it and see what all is inside. Got a quick start guide. I'll leave a link in the description to everything if you want to check them out. This is the pop filter. It has this Elgato logo sticker on it. Here it is. It's very thin and light. I like the overall design and feel of it. Next up, we have the shock mount. Let's take a closer look around the box. Unboxing time. You get a quick start guide. Can't go wrong with that. This is the shock mount. Let's get it out and take a closer look at it. Seems like you get these Elgato stickers on everything. So here it is. It's not too heavy, just a little bit of weight to it. You can adjust it right here and use this lock to lock it into place. Overall, very good build quality. Next up, we have the Wave 3 microphone. Let's take a look around the box and get some more detailed specifications. Now let's unbox it and see what all is inside. Elgato sure knows how to package stuff. Pretty nice box. Here's a quick start guide again. Got this little box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is our USB-C cable. This is the boom arm adapter. So USB-C goes into the mic and USB-A goes into your device. Now it's time for the mic. Yup, you guessed it. We got more Elgato stickers. Here it is. It comes set up. Just plug and play if you wanted to use it on your desk. Looks pretty good. Let's take a closer look at the design. It stays in place. It's not gonna tip over on your desk. Fully adjustable. Any position you put it in, that's where it will stay. On the back, you have a USB-C port and a headphone jack with 0 latency. Got the Elgato logo on these screws. The Wave 3 branding right here. And the Elgato logo up here. On the top, you have a capacitive mute switch, which is super cool, so no need to be pressing buttons. To get it out of the stand, just unscrew these screws. And it just slides right out. Pretty easy. Here's a closer look at the mic. You have your gain control. You can use it to control all 3 settings. Putting the pop filter on is very easy. You just slide the little hooks under there and push it up. Looks pretty good. Let me know what you think. So this is a cheap boom arm I had. I'll show you how to set up the mic on it. This little adapter right here, you'll just screw it onto the boom arm like this. Then screw the shock mount onto it like this. Now let's attach the mic to it. Just simply line it up with the holes on the shock mount. And screw it in. Do the same thing for the other side. Just try not to over tighten them. Next, we can put the pop filter on. just slide it under and push it up. Very easy. The next step is to connect the microphone, headphone jack right here, USB-C port right here. So just connect the USB-C cable. Then connect the USB-A end to your device. Here it is, all powered up to my M1 Mac Mini. Nice lights on the front to monitor your gain. If you press the knob, it switches between 3 different modes. When you mute the mic, the circle becomes red, so that's a good indication right there. And it's fully adjustable on the shock mount and boom arm. On the Elgato website, you can download their Wavelink app, which offers even more functionality to this mic if you're a streamer. But first, let's look at some crypto. Are you into crypto? Bitcoin is up a lot. Dogecoin is doing very good. But let's get back to Wavelink. Here's the Wavelink app. So you can control different settings on this mic. My favorite setting is the clipguard feature. It automatically prevents clipping if you have it enabled. And if you're a game streamer, you could add different channels and set specific levels for each. You can find more detailed videos on YouTube on how to use this app if you want to do that kind of stuff. So you can sync levels together like this or adjust them manually. When I'm not using my mic, I have it stored on the side of my desk like this. So if you're wondering what this mic sounds like, I used it to record the entire voiceover on this video, so let me know what you think about it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at LamarMK. As always, thanks for watching, stay safe, and peace out.